Can you tell how many times I've done this before?
Yeah. Experience. All right, fire it up. All right, Matt, I see a Prelude. What are we up to?
Prelude things, yeah. Well, I should say Honda things in general. Trying to take care of some leaks and then maybe possibly some timing issues along the way. But so we are going to be replacing the distributor gasket. It's pretty common for most Honda engines to leak from their distributor gasket after high mileage. As you can see, we have a pretty severe leak going on here. So we're going to do that and probably switch out the actual distributor cap while we're at it too. It's very convenient that I have another one that we can actually keep the actual pattern of the spark plugs, so I can tuck it off to the side. And we're going to start by taking off these three 12mm bolts. There's two up on top and one on the bottom, kind of centered. And yeah, oh, don't lose that there. Juicy.
Oh God.
I know.
That's been on there for a little while.
All the bolts on this scare me. Whether they're corroded or not, or soaked in oil. Yeah, I thought it was going to come with a rotor too, but it didn't. I didn't realize that until just now.
Alright, just the cap.
But we'll take a look at it. If I need one, I know they carry them at like every parts store. That's the nice thing about these older Honda engines. If it's something with like just basic stuff with the distributor, almost everywhere has them as far as if it's cap and rotor.
Yeah.
There's their gasket. No? No?
Is it still in there? Definitely, if you guys can see here, that the bottom of this distributor's been leaking right there for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's skunk to Vtech solenoid there, and I guess you can adjust what RPM it comes on at or something.
I'm not 100% sure how it works at all, honestly. I'm not even 100% sure that's real. I doubt it is. Nothing about it screams
legitness.
Yeah.
Leaks.
Yeah, that's basically. I just want to make sure that I actually fix something. I never guarantee myself anything. Oh yeah, this thing's so broken.
Oh wow. So it looks like, okay, this is our distributor here. It's definitely was over tightened there. See, it's tight there, and then there's huge gaps around it.
It's cracked there too.
It's cracked there too.
So this is definitely a good call. Okay, let's try and get the old one off, huh?
Yeah. Well, where's the new one at? Oh yeah, that is about right, guys.
Yeah, I'm fairly positive.
Wow.
Dang!
It just cracked.
So the new one, in case you guys are interested, it's a male. Part number is B32563. Always stay on cue.
So yeah, here's the old one, guys, and you want to see how brittle it is, watch. Wow, now it won't break.
It didn't snap, actually.
Yeah, because it broke. See it breaking off there. Yeah, she's seen a few heat cycles.
Okay. It's probably going to be easier to take the cap off now, huh?
Yeah, and we might have to turn the rotor because I kind of turned that a little bit when I
Oh, did you?
touched it. It didn't go a full rotation, but
We'll get it figured out.
it spun much easier than I expected. Should have went with the clear cap again.
I haven't thought about it, but that was
Had to wait for it?
No, that one, I can get that one right off the shelf if I want.
Oh,
But that's
really?
$35, whereas that was like $8.
Yeah.
But that one also came with a cap, which I didn't realize. This one didn't.
The rotor?
Or rotor, I mean, yeah. So I'll probably have to, something tells me I'm still gonna have to go get one.
Yeah, another $10.
Because this thing's been exposed to the elements for a while. Not as bad as I was expecting. I don't see evidence of like actual corrosion. I see bad contacting though.
Yeah.
I got her. Wow, this thing's almost just as crusty.
Wow. It is seriously. It's like formed itself. It's very crusty, very hard. Don't know. So you're gonna have to like look at the slot in there and you want me to hold the light? Just I would recommend turning it that way because yeah, I kind of turned it the other way on accident. All right, Matt's putting the cap back on, nice and loose to start.
Will your ignition coil tester thing work with this one?
Yeah, it should.
It'd be cool to try it out on.
Somebody was driving through my field.
Oh?
I see tracks of it.
Wow, look at this light it's got on it.
Oh, dude, this is gonna work good. That's where the extra $10 comes from. That's the only reason you need the batteries,
Yep,
probably.
it's working.
Where's the magnet?
Okay, so timing, what's that mean?
Can you tell how many times I've done this before?
Yeah. Experience. All right, fire it up. We're going by ear. All right, guys, we're gonna test out this cool Macdo tool.
Start it anymore.
Yeah, I remember that part. Does the key turn or?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I'm starting it with the starter right now, so starter.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, maybe we should put some dielectric grease on that.
Yeah, maybe crimp that wire a little.
Oh wow, it's totally right off of there. How did that even happen? All right. Oh yeah. The Macdo tool works really good. It sounds better. Is it idling? Don't worry, that's not the distributor. When was the last time we checked the oil? Never. Wait. Oh my god, it makes like a...
Okay, I lied. I checked it once to see that it was all the way at the bottom and black.
Alright guys, that's how you change your distributor. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. If you guys want to support the channel, we have stickers available. There's a link in the description. So this is our holographic BA Performance logo sticker. Very cool sticker. Won't find them anywhere else. Dope. And we have a new sticker. Don't have as many of them, but this is our clappers only sticker. Let's see if we can show it there. Yeah, so we got a cool trash panda here, and he loves clappers. And yeah, it's our clapper only sticker. If you guys like clappers and trash pandas, you know, that's the sticker for you right there.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.